I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials that hiring managers in Canada expect. Start with clear contact details and a concise professional summary that matches the job. Once done, list your most recent role first using reverse chronological order so recruiters see relevance immediately. Make sure to pick a clean font and 1-2 page length depending on experience, shorter for entry-level, fuller for senior roles. This first step sets the structure and makes later editing and keyword tailoring far faster. Now you populate the body with experience and measurable achievements so employers see impact. For each role, include title, employer, city and province, and clear dates. Then add 3 to 6 bullets highlighting accomplishments with numbers, percentages, or cost savings. Once complete, add a skills section that balances technical abilities and workplace competencies required in Canada, such as teamwork and communication. Make sure to tailor keywords from the job posting to pass applicant tracking systems and prioritize recent, relevant entries. Finish by adding education and relevant extras like certifications, language levels, and volunteer roles that support your candidacy. Once added, proofread for grammar and Canadian spelling, then export to PDF and name the file clearly so recruiters can find it. Make sure the layout remains clean and margins uniform. If your application isn't getting replies, one key troubleshooting tip: tailor the top third of your CV to the job keywords and move the strongest achievements to the top so they are read first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.